My name is Jade DeFreitas. I'm a licensed clinical social worker. I primarily treat first responders and complex trauma, complex PTSD. The problem that a lot of my clients have is the stigma around mental health. The work of the Amon clinics really helps destigmatize what my clients are facing to begin with, because if they can see a brain scan of something that's physiologically off, somehow it legitimizes the emotional struggle. Being able to know that that struggle is real, that vicarious trauma is real, that post-traumatic stress and post-traumatic stress injury on the job, it happens, and it doesn't happen to weak men and women. It happens to men and women as they're in the process of being helpers in our communities. Dr. Amon spoke, I believe, in 2009 at the California Association of Marriage and Family Therapists annual conference, and he was the keynote that year. And I was a young therapist, young in private practice, and if his goal for that day was to inspire young therapists, I was one of those. His words were something along the lines of, if you think you treat trauma, but you're not doing EMDR, then you're really not treating trauma. So EMDR stands for eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, and it's a highly effective trauma treatment versus a trauma tool. Our treatment plans are very, very specific to the person. That is one of the benefits of the Amon clinics, of being able to look at the symptoms, look at the person as a whole, and everything that makes them up in their work, in their private life, in their spiritual life, all of those things, and then being able to make recommendations specific to the person. I'm recommending people all the time to the clinic. I'm recommending children of friends who've maybe had a concussion in football and they're a little bit nervous about that child. I'm recommending my clients. I think about my family members who I'd love to be here and just get the brain scan and let's see what's going on. So my recommendations for what is held in the walls of this place and the possibilities here are happening all the time.